Everybody, this is the unboxing video of the Raspberry Pi 4 giveaway from the Element 14. So let's get started. So I will just do the unboxing. And then this side. So now let's see what's there inside. So this is all what it's there. It's the 2 GB version of the Raspberry Pi 4. So you can see it here. And these are some stuffing, so protection packing. So first of all, I would like to thank Element 14 for giving me this opportunity to make something using this Raspberry Pi 4. So that's all. Let's see what's inside. So I have opened this, and so here's the Raspberry Pi 4. See, it's a very good board, having two USB 3.0 ports, then USB 2.02 ports, a gigabit Ethernet, 40 pin GPIO header, the 2 GB LP DDR RAM 2 GB version. Then this is the two micro HDMI ports, the USB C port here, and then here is the audio output. Here is the MIPI CSI port. Here's the MIPI DSI port display, and this is the camera one. Here's the Wi-Fi, and then some other components, and then this is the micro SD card slot. So, and these are some TV pins which can be used, and there are some other things also. So now let's see what's inside more. So this is the instructions of static discharge and how to use it. Then the user guide, Raspberry Pi 4 Model B safety and user guide. So thank you Element 14 for providing me this opportunity to try this out, and I would have a great time working with it. So I am basically trying to make an attendance system using this. There I would use the camera and face recognition, so it would basically have the check in and check out time, and we can get some sort of data like in the Excel format or something that can be used by the offices or anywhere where it can be used for camera recognition. So this is what I will do. I'm not sure which platform I will use, maybe using OpenCV or might be some machine learning, not sure, but we'll try out. Thank you.